First, open your browser, click in the address bar, type in github.com and hit enter to go to the GitHub website. Once on GitHub, look for the search bar at the top right. Type in the name of the project or keywords related to the project you want to open. In this example, we're typing portfolio website. Press enter to search. Browse the search results and find the repository you're interested in. Click on the repository link to open it. Now in the address bar, just type box near to GitHub as shown in the video. Now, it will take us to the codesandbox.com. CodeSandbox will then load the project online. Here's the project loaded in CodeSandbox. You can see the files in the File Explorer on the left. Let's quickly check the preview. Click the preview tab to see the website running live. You can also browse the code files directly in CodeSandbox. For example, let's click on index.html to see the HTML code, and then package.json to check the project dependencies. If you want more space for the code, you can close the File Explorer panel by clicking the X icon here. And that's it. Super easy way to open and explore GitHub projects online using CodeSandbox. No need to download or install anything. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more web development tips. Thanks for watching.